Good morning students. Last class we have seen proof of standard formulae of integrals. In today's class we will see problems which are based on standard formulae of integrals. The first question is this. So let us solve this question. 1 divided by 4x square minus 9 dx. So what I am doing here is take 4 common. So when you take 4 common, what you will get is x square minus 9 by 4. So 1 by 4 is constant, we can take outside. So 1 by 4 will come outside. This I can say 1 divided by x square minus 9 by 4 we can write as 3 by 2 square. Here I can say dx. What is the form here? Something like 1 by x square minus a square. So formula is saying what? So here I can say we know that integral dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a log of mod of x minus a divided by x plus a plus c. So apply this result here. So given question we can write as 1 by 4 into. Now for this apply the result. So when you apply the result, what you will get? 1 by 2a. What is a here? A is nothing but 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 log of x. What is x here? X only minus a. A is nothing but 3 by 2 divided by x plus 3 by 2 plus c. Now you can see here 2 cancel. 4 into 3, 12. So 1 by 12 into log of. Now look here. After taking LCM, 2 will get cancelled. What you will get? 2x minus 3 divided by 2x plus 3 plus c. So this is the required answer. So what we did here is we have taken 4 common. So once you take 4 common, then this will become the form 1 by x square minus a square. So we know the formula. Put the values in the formula, we will get the required answer. Let us see next question. The next question is integral 1 divided by square root of 9 minus 25x square. 9 minus 25x square. Now look here. So this we can say 1 divided by square root of 9 minus 25x square. Now what I can do here is, in standard formulae of integrals, coefficient of x square in all the formulas is 1. So 25 should not come here. So what I am doing here is, I am taking 25 common. So take 25 common. So when you take 25 common, what you will get here is, here you will get 9 by 25 minus x square dx. Now square root of 25, 5. So it will come outside. So 1 by 5 will come outside. This I can say what? 1 divided by square root of this 9 by 25 can be write as 3 by 5 whole square minus x square dx. Now this question belongs to which form of integral? So can I say that we know that integral dx divided by square root of a square minus x square is equal to, formula is what? Sine inverse x by a plus c. So I am applying this formula here. So 1 by 5 will come outside. right? So apply the formula. So for this, apply the formula. So when you apply the formula, what you will get? Sin inverse x, x is x only, a. What is a? A is nothing but 3 by 5 plus c. Or you can see here, this 5 will go up. So this I can say 1 by 5 into sin inverse 5x divided by 3 plus c. So this is the required answer. So you have to identify the form of question and then you have to apply the standard formula. Let us see some more questions. Next question. Integral dx divided by square root of 2x minus x square. So this we can write as what? Dx divided by root over 2x minus x square. Now look here. What I can do here is dx divided by square root of this minus I am taking common. So take minus common, what you will get? X square minus 2x. Now I want to make this to be a perfect square. So what should I add? So it is something like a square minus 2ab. So what I am doing here is I am adding 1. Since I am adding 1, I have to subtract also. So I can say this. Or this we can write as dx divided by. Now see here. This we can write as what? This we can write as x minus 1 whole square. And this I can say minus 1 and here I can say right. Now see here. This minus I am shifting inside. So shift this minus inside. So when you shift the minus inside, what you will get? You will get dx divided by square root of, so minus of minus 1 minus x minus 1 whole square. Now can you tell me the form of the question? Can I say again this is of this form or not? And what is a? Here I can say 1. So again make use of this result. So what you will get here is, so sin inverse. So I can say answer of this question is sin inverse x. What is x here? X minus 1 divided by a. What is a? A is 1. Here I can say plus. Or we can write this as sin inverse x minus 1 plus c. So this is the required answer. I hope the solution is clear. Let us see one more question. Question is integral 3x square divided by x to the power 6 plus 1 dx. Now see here. So this we can write as what actually? 3x square divided by. Now x to the power 6 can be write as x cube square plus 1 dx. Can we write or not? Yes or no? Now see here. X cube is here. Differentiation of x cube is what? 3x square. So I am assuming let x cube is equal to t. Differentiate. What is the differentiation of x cube? 3x square is equal to dt by dx. Now dx I am shifting this side. So 3x square dx is equal to, here I can say dt. So you can see here, this we can write as what? This we can write as dt divided by, so x cube is nothing but t, so t square plus 1. Now one formula is here. So we know that integral dx divided by x square plus a square. So formula is saying what? Formula is 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So I am making use of this formula. So tell me. So here I can say 1 by a. A is nothing but 1 only. So here I can say tan inverse x. X is nothing but t. And a is nothing but 1 plus c. But t is what actually? T is nothing but x cube. So answer of this question is tan inverse x cube plus c. So this is the required answer. I hope the solution is clear. The next question is integral of secant square x divided by root over tan square x plus 4 dx. Now you can see here tan x is here, and what is the differentiation of tan x? Secant square x. So what I can do here is I am assuming let tan x is equal to t. Dx means differentiate both sides with respect to x. So what is the differentiation of tan x? So here I can say secant square x is equal to dt by dx. Now dx I am shifting this side. So what you will get? Secant square x dx is equal to dt. So this value of tan x and this, both the values I am keeping here. Now put the value. So what you will get? So secant square x. So you can see here, this will become what actually? dt. So this I can say dt divided by square root of, it is nothing but t square plus 4. 4 we can write as 2 square. Now tell me which formula will come here. So can I say that we know that one formula is here, dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. So formula is saying what? Log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So make use of this formula. So if you apply this formula, you will get answer equal to log of x. What is x there? T plus square root of x square. What is x square? T square plus a square. What is a square? 2 square. 2 square is nothing but 4 plus c. The question is in terms of x. So answer should be in terms of x only. So log of t. What is your t? T is nothing but tan x plus square root of, here I can say tan square x plus 4 plus c. So this is the required answer. I hope all these steps are clear. So identify the form of the question and apply the appropriate formula. Let us see one more question. All these questions are supplementary. So proof, as I told you that complete 5 marks they may allot only to proof, and sometimes 4 marks to proof and 1 mark based on that standard result. Let us see one more question. Integral 1 divided by square root of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx. I think very simple question this is. So this I can write as 1 divided by, first you have to make this to be a perfect square. So here I can say square root of, so x square plus 2x, this 2 can be write as 1 plus 1 or not. I hope this clear. 2 we can write as 1 plus 1. Now this we can write as what? This we can write as 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square, here I can say what? Dx. So which result is coming here? So again something like square root of x square plus a square. So just now I told you that we know that integral dx divided by square root of x square plus a square. So formula is saying what actually? Log of x plus root over x square plus a square plus c. So make use of this formula. So this will become what actually? So here I can say log of x. What is x there? X is nothing but x plus 1. So here I can say x plus 1 plus square root of x square. What is x square? Again I can say x plus 1 whole square, and a square is nothing but 1. Or this we can write as log of x plus 1 plus square root of. When you expand this, what you will get? X square plus 2x, 1 plus 1 is 2 plus c. So this is the required answer. So last question and this question, both questions are based on this standard result. Let us see one more question. Dx divided by x square plus 2x plus 2. I think this question is similar to previous one, but here root is not there. So first make it a perfect square. So dx divided by, now again 2 we can write as what? X square plus 2x. 2 we can write as 1 plus 1. Or this we can write as what? Dx divided by, so this is nothing but x plus 1 whole square plus 1 square. So which formula is coming here? So can I say that one formula is there? Dx divided by x square plus a square. So formula is saying what? 1 by a into tan inverse x by a plus c. So I am making use of this formula. So what you will get here? So 1 by a is nothing but 1 only, right? So tan inverse, what is x? X is nothing but x plus 1, a is 1 plus c. So this is the required answer. So all questions are very simple. Identify the form of question. Let us see one more question. One divided by root over 7 minus 6x minus x square. 7 minus 6x minus x square together. So what we can do here is, as I told you that coefficient of x square should be 1. So minus is there. So I am taking minus common. So 1 divided by, take minus common. So when you take minus common, what you will get? x square plus 6x minus 7. Here I use about dx. I want to make this to be a perfect square. So can we say this as 1 divided by square root of, now see here, minus, now see here, x square, or can we write this as x plus 3 whole square? Can we write or not? Expand this. X square plus 6x plus 9. 9 is here. 9 is here. I want minus 7. So 9 is here. I want minus 7. So can I say minus 16 or not? 9 minus 16, calculate, you will get minus 7. Now this minus I am shifting inside. So what you will get? You will get 1 divided by square root of. So minus, so here 16 will come minus x plus 3 whole square. Here I guess what? dx. Right? Or this we can write as what? 1 divided by 16 we can write as 4 square minus x plus 3 square. Here I can say what? dx. So tell me which formula. So can I say that we know that 1 divided by root over a square minus x square dx. So formula is saying what? Formula is saying sine inverse x by a plus c. So apply the formula. So what you will get here? So finally you will get here sine inverse x. What is x here? X plus 3. A. What is a here? 4 plus c. So this is the required answer. So in today's class we have seen questions which are based on standard formulae of integrals. So definitely one question for 5 marks it will come from this only. So proof is very important. Along with proof, sometimes they may give 1 mark question based on the result what they are asking. Class will continue next time.